Alright guys, I have put on some gloves here because I really don't want to get my dirty prints all over these new brakes. Don't want to get any premature corrosion or rust or anything. Okay. All right. We've got our washer here. It lines up with our groove. Put that on. We've got our castle nut. Of course, the castle nut's made to run the cotter pin through, so always make sure your top pieces are hanging out. Now there's just tons of ways. A lot of people have different ideas about how far to tighten this nut down. I like to go, as many people do, until I start feeling a little bit of bind on the hub. Okay, when I feel that, and you notice I'm using this big socket, but I'm gonna use it right here. I'm not cranking this thing, you know. There, now I'm getting some resistance right there. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna double check here. Okay. And we'll back up to where my cotter pin will slide right in, right there. Okay. Okay, got that in. We're going to take our favorite crooked needle nose, and I'm going to bring this one all the way back around. Like that. And we'll take our other one to the side. A lot of people will cut that second one off. You can do it any way you want to, guys. Your ride, you do it however you want to. There we go. All right, there she is. Okay, one last thing.